Disconnect the power supply of the machine. Use the hex head of the screwdriver to remove the 5 screws on the rear upper cover. Then open the lid to remove the 6 screws on the inner side. Remove the rear upper cover. Remove the first level laser mirror. Wear a pair of nitrile gloves. Spray isopropyl alcohol on the mirror. Wipe it clean with a lint-free cloth. Align the mirror's notch with its holder to reinstall it. Place the rear upper cover back. Install the 5 screws at the back. Then open the lid to install the 6 screws inside. This is how to clean the first level laser mirror. We hope this video is helpful. Feel free to contact the xTool support team if you have any questions.